What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about an interesting news story that broke this morning. Usually I don't cover a lot of news, but this one was big enough for me to take notice. It looks like Samsung is testing ChatGPT directly in the Samsung internet browser on their Galaxy phones. And this is due to an APK teardown that quite a few different Samsung software leaksters and people covered. I'll show you guys the lines of code that show this and talk a little bit about the implications of it as well. Before we get into that, I do want to remind you guys, if you're going to be ordering something from Samsung Unpacked for July 2023, which means the Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, or Galaxy Watch 6, I am doing the mystery boxes again here in the US. It's 100% free. I cover shipping. All you have to do is use my Samsung affiliate link at the time of pre-order. I'll send out those links early also, so you guys can get the links early on launch day. Get a free case, you get a free cleaning kit, free desktop phone stand. There'll also be Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store credit inserted randomly. Choose your device. Pre-order, add to cart, check out, you're good to go. Those will ship out in August after the phones arrive. Really happy to do that for the community. Check out the link in the description. You can also reserve your phone with Samsung to get an additional $50 in credit at launch. I'll have the link below for that as well. Check it out. All right, so here's the code snippet that they showed to support ChatGPT coming to Samsung Internet Browser. Here's the code, so the string name here, pref ChatGPT enable, ChatGPT lab title, test ChatGPT, ChatGPT model type, ChatGPT query for summarizing, ChatGPT query for message, and ChatGPT settings. So these appear to be the makings of testing sort of full integration of ChatGPT directly in the Samsung Internet browser. Again, this was found using an APK teardown, which is where people take a look at the files that actually install the apps on your phone. And they kind of unpack the code that is inside the file and look at what might be coming up. This is an upcoming version of the browser. So what this could mean is that we would have a button to enable ChatGPT to test it, which that one might just be in the test build version. ChatGPT model, so the model that you want to use to run it, whether or not you want to do a summary or you want to do like another message, like maybe a chat where you can get a conversational chat, and then ChatGPT settings where you could tweak like the assistant personality and some things like that. So this could be very interesting. I know a lot of you out there, when I did the last ChatGPT video, weren't a huge fan of the ChatGPT, but it is becoming a big deal with generative AI. I actually showed you guys in a previous video, that aforementioned video, this is my other S23 Ultra, how you can enable it using Tasker. So I have it on here. You can start a new chat with ChatGPT, GPT-4. You can also give it a personality. As you can see right there, I did a full tutorial if you guys want to check that out. I mean, that is a little bit of hacking. I use the application Tasker, which is a lot of power to do various things on any Android device, but it does require a little bit of work and you have to have a little bit of technical knowledge. Obviously, if Samsung brings it to the browser, a lot more people are going to be able to access this. Now, of course, for those of you who don't know, a lot of you probably don't, because a lot of people just use Chrome. I use both. Samsung Internet Browser is actually the browser that is installed by default, and there's a beta version and the stable version. Internet and Internet Beta both are kind of the same app, just the beta one's the testing version. That's probably where GPT integration would go first. It has a lot of great features like ad blocks. You can change text size. There's a lot of stuff you can do that you can't necessarily do in Chrome, and it's also really well integrated with Samsung One UI. So I think it would be great to see this. ChatGPT is gaining a lot of traction, and this would be interesting if they include it in the One UI 6.0 beta that'll be coming up here in a few weeks, because they usually update a lot of applications, obviously, when they drop the next version of One UI, when they drop a beta. So the browser might get updated with this ChatGPT support. I think it's kind of interesting because Samsung is rumored to be doing their own generative AI, and they were also rumored to be replacing Google with Bing on Galaxy devices. That never happened because obviously Google gives them a lot of value on the Android side. But I will say that Samsung obviously does have an interest in generative AI, and this new code kind of confirms that they're really interested in bringing it to Galaxy devices. Anyway, this video is mainly to let you guys know about it and then also get some opinions from you guys. What do you think about ChatGPT? Would you use it if it was on your Galaxy device? Would you switch to the Galaxy Internet Browser instead of Chrome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments so we can kind of discuss it. Again, if you guys are going to be ordering anything from Unpacked, check out the mystery boxes, link in the description. Sign up. We love doing that for the community. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Appreciate you guys checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.